So this is all you need to do reusable note paper. I'm going to show you in detail how to do that. First you need a lamination machine, and I had several cheap ones, and after the last one broke over years, I went to look closer in the internet and I bought the PL707. And I read the reports on Amazon. I also read on their website, and this is a sturdy one, a small one, and it's everything I need to make the laminated papers. Power ready, on off, very easy to use. You need lamination foil or pouches, as it says, and they come in different sizes. This is the normal big size for making notes to pad on events, or signs for go this way, or arrows. And this is the smaller one I'm using for the note papers. And these were other ones I had from events before, like to make passes or something to hang around your neck, or little signs to put on tables, laminations. So what we need now is this one. And what is important is the thickness. This is 125 micron. And the normal ones are usually 80 micron, which is totally fine if you want to glue a paper somewhere or put it out. But for the writing of the note, for the note papers, I really prefer these. I tried both, 125 micron. So this is one I'm going to buy in the future for all my lamination, because it's sturdier, it's thicker. You need the paper you want to write on, so it can either be plain or with lines. I prefer lines, and this is A5 format. This is A6. You can also do larger ones, A4. And I'm putting out one here from a notepad. I had lots of those before. Now I'm using much less since I have the laminated one. So we're going to do this together in a minute. While the laminator is warming up and going to show me ready, hopefully, in a bit, I'm already preparing the paper I want to laminate. So I take one of these pouches, and this consists of a double thingy here, double plastic, and I put in the paper I want to laminate. This can be smaller, but not larger, please, because you need corners around it, everywhere around it. Of course not here, because this is glued already, but here you need corners, so it has to fit very well, because this is what glues together these little corners, and even here. So and now I'm waiting for this to come green. So this is ready now, it's green. I pulled this a bit to the front so you can see what's happening. I just put it in here, and it eats the paper, the laminated thing, automatically. I'm not going to make you wait until it's finished, but come back in a sec. So this is going to be finished soon. There are other models that are faster, but I don't need faster. I'm not doing 100 each day, so this is fine for me. And now we have our new laminated note paper. Sturdy, very good. And you see it's all glued here, so that is fixed. Ready, done. So now come the pens to write on it. They're different ones. These are Stabilo, these are Stadler, and they're all non-permanent. And they come in different colors, of course, and in different thicknesses. So these are the fine ones I bought later. I prefer those. And this is a thicker one. So you can see with a thicker one you can write like this or like this. And I prefer the finer one. Hello. Good morning. Yo. Okay, so that's the writing. Now comes the fun part. Jetzt geht's los hier. Last thing I want to show you is how I store those. So these are mixed ones. You can sort them or not, but how to put them away. Mine are standing somewhere strategically. And I put them in this box, just an A5 box, whatever size you need, A6 or standing, taller, or A4. referring to your papers. So this is how I store them. Ready. Then if you want to make this more fun, instead of making the normal ones, you can take the little notepads you took from travels maybe. I worked on ships, so I have this, and I have this from Cunard, Sea Cloud, from hotels, smaller ones. I don't really use those, but I was thinking about doing them and selling them on an Etsy shop, but this never happened so far. This is a nice one with a logo. And larger ones from a ship, OSCE conference, I work, Reeperbahn Festival several times. So it's just nice to have those in hands and be reminded of it. And this is actually one I bought. And so those look different, but this is for drawing maybe. I prefer the ones with lines. So, and this is actually one I bought, just as a start for an alternative.